So we're a little bit out of order here. This is part 3. Last week we did part 4, which is Retell lecture. And the good news is describe image part 3 and Retell lecture part 4 both use templates. They're not huge marks, but a template will give you the maximum marks with almost no effort and 0 understanding. Hey, PTE. So how did we do it? We're going to use exactly the same template as we used for Retell lecture. The idea is you don't have to try and memorize too much. And you'll be able to see that the only word we've changed here is the word image. So in our part 4, we talked about the given lecture. In our part 3, we're saying the given image. Again, you just want 2 or 3 keywords. Look at the image. The title should give you a keyword. Look at the bottom axis and choose 1 or 2, and you're done. You're out of there. If it's a diagram, it's even easier. A map's easier. So we could say the given image provides information on population. Overall, it's clear that Australia is quite significant. Upon closer inspection, it's interesting to note that China is a feature. Both of these seem somewhat relevant to modern society. Indeed, it seems likely that population will continue to be an issue for many years to come. You don't need to scream through it. You don't need to go super fast. The computer does not care if you're fast or slow. Native speakers do. The template gives you perfect pronunciation if you copy my pronunciation, perfect intonation if you copy my intonation, perfect grammar, and you're going to get a high mark for content because you've got a couple of the key words. You're looking for what, 65, 70? This is not a high mark. You probably get 80 something for it, maybe more. Use a template. Doesn't have to be mine. It could be any that are on the internet. They're all pretty good. Some of them have grammar mistakes, but again, it doesn't seem to affect the scores. The guys who have this messy grammar, it's not great, but they get 90s, so they say. And I think that's probably true. I don't think PTE is looking for perfection to get a 90. It's not native speaker land. It's just you kind of did the job. Use a template for part 3 and part 4, and you go through the same template. You don't need to memorize too much, and you'll get a huge score. Good luck!